Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Friday, October the 17th. Temperature this morning is 42 degrees with 94% humidity, and we're looking at clear skies this morning as you head out. High temperature yesterday, I had a high temperature of 69 with a low of 49 degrees. And nothing in the rain gauge as of yet. We're collecting spider webs. All right. As this weather outlook and what we're looking at, we're looking at windy conditions, wind gusts as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour, possible Saturday, and up to 45 miles per hour possible during the daytime on Sunday. So hold on to your hat. Otherwise, continue dry with higher temperatures for today. Then cold front will move through the area over the weekend, bringing showers and possibly maybe some thunderstorms even beginning Saturday afternoon, as well as gusty winds on Sunday. We'll have dry conditions for the Monday, but with another chance of rain arriving Tuesday with the approach of the next frontal system that's coming in. Today we're looking at mostly sunny skies with a high of 71, south winds at 8 miles per hour, and then tonight mostly cloudy with a low around 52 degrees and winds be out of the south at 6 miles per hour. Saturday we're looking at a chance of showers and thunderstorm with increasing clouds and a high of 81 degrees. Yeah, warming up for a weekend. Winds be out of the south at 14 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 26 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 40%, and new rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch. Unless we get thunderstorm, then you can see more than that in the rain gauge. Saturday night, chance of showers and thunderstorms, a low around 51 degrees. South wind around 11 miles per hour, wind gusts as high as 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 100%, and new rainfall amounts between a half and 3/4 of an inch possible. Looking at your Sunday forecast, showers and likely possible a thunderstorm. Mostly cloudy with a high of 62 degrees, and looking at breezy conditions, winds out of the southwest at 21 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 37 miles per hour. Chance of rain is 70%, and new rainfall amounts between a 1/4 and a half inch possible. Sunday night, a chance of showers continue in the forecast, partly cloudy with a low around 39 degrees. Chance of rain is 30%, and new rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch possible. And then moving into your Monday forecast, sunny skies with a high of 63 degrees. Winds be out of the southwest at 10 miles per hour. Monday night, looking at chance of showers mainly after 2 a.m. in the early morning hours. Partly cloudy with a low around 46 degrees, and chance of rain is 30%. Tuesday, looking at chance of showers before 8 a.m. Then looking at mostly sunny skies with a high near 60 degrees. Winds out of the west at 16 miles per hour, and looking at a 30% chance of rain. Tuesday night, mostly clear with a low around 37 degrees. Hey, stay safe out there. Have a good day, and try to hold on to your hat over the weekend. I'm Jim Scott of Wayne County, Indiana Skyward. Thanks for being a part of it this morning.